My story. I fail. I start a business. I fail. I and then I start another business. I fail, and then I start another business. Then I fail. So I do 21 business. All of them are fail. Why? Because I don't have a consistency. What is a consistency? Consistency is doing something consistently. So trying day by day, trying without this depression or failure. So just don't quit day by day. So made one day and then wake up another day and made that. So don't quit. That's the real consistency. So what I felt because I don't have a consistency. The second and the second reason why I'm failing 21 business is I want fast profit. So I want fast profit, short time money, and make big money in fucking one day. So big that is the biggest mistake I made in my journey. If you want big money in one day, you are fucking useless, baby. The system, God made the system of the universe is so even God, even God made universe in 7 days, baby. 7 days. God made this universe in 7 days, and you want make money in one day. What is that? That God can make uh, God also yes, God can make one day and 1 second in universe, but why God made this universe in 7 days? So that's the reason. That's the second reason I failed to run one business in my life. The 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 three one I failed to run one business is whenever I start business, my mind says, "What if I fail?" Already I fail because my mind says, "What if I fail?" And I don't say, "What if I success?" My mind says, "What if I fail?" That's the three one I failed 21 business.